Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Courtney and I'm so excited that you are here today. Today we have a Stitch Fix unboxing. So I thought we would go through my Stitch Fix, try on a few of the items that I was sent over, and then do a quick review at the very end. So let me go ahead and get started here. If you're not familiar with Stitch Fix, you pay a $20 styling fee. A stylist will style you. They'll give you 5 items curated to you based on your needs, your wants, some inspiration that you've sent over, and they will pick these items and send them over to you. You get to choose what you'd like to keep and what you don't. You send back what you don't, you keep what you like, and you pay for the items that you do want to keep, less your styling fee. So you do get to apply that $20 styling fee towards all of the clothing items that you decide to keep. And then if you do choose to keep all 5 items, then you will get a 25% discount off of your total. So I do have Style Pass with Stitch Fix, which means that I have unlimited fixes. I do not pay the styling fee. I pay a one-time fee per year to get unlimited fixes. But essentially if I decide to keep all items, I do still get 25% off. So let's show what my bundle is today, and then we'll go ahead and get into a few more details on the items. Okay, so when you order from Stitch Fix, you get this lovely bundle. They send you a box. They give you a bundle of all of the items that you're sending. They wrap them in this nice paper, and then you also get this envelope in your package that has your styling cards. I'll show you that in just a moment, and then your receipt for all of the items. So the receipt for all of the items is listed out. You see the sizes, you see the item names, and you also see your discount for the items if you choose to keep all 5. So I see that my total today was $218 minus my 25% discount if I choose all. Then my total will be $164.23 today if I choose to keep all 5 items, which that actually is probably one of the cheaper fixes that I've gotten recently. And then also you have your style cards, and your style cards give you ideas on how to style the pieces that they've sent you. I've already looked to see what I've received. Like I received these khaki pants, and it gives you some outfit ideas as well as a note from your stylist. So this is fix number 42 for me. I've received 42 Stitch Fix boxes so far. And it just kind of says like, hope you're having a good day, a good week, looking forward to a whole new look. If you have any requests, send them my way. I don't think I submitted any requests this time. You chose some good pieces. I did get to pick a few pieces ahead of time, and then kind of told me how she thinks that I can style them. And then just says, hope you enjoy, and I look forward to your feedback from this fix. Best, Catherine. So Catherine was my stylist this time. So jumping into the items. Sorry. I know that I have a couple pairs of pants here, and I know I have a few tops. So jumping into my items here, I was sent these Just USA Hardy High Rise Wide Leg Utility Pants in the shade Olive. This truly looks khaki to me. But I have tried these on actually at a boutique previously. But these are size 12, retail for $64. So we'll try these on here in just a moment, but it's a wide leg denim by Just USA in the shade Olive. I don't even want to try these on because I do not like them, but sometimes those are the best items because you do end up liking them. But I also received these Studio Blue Jane High Rise Wide Leg Pant, 2 wide leg pants in the shade Orange in the size 12. These are like, I don't know, they're almost like a khaki material. They're not really denim, I don't think. And these say they are Stitch Fix exclusive, so you can only get them from Stitch Fix. I also received this white long sleeve tee. So this is a 41 Hawthorne Garcelle soft square fitted rib knit top in white. And it's just a basic white long sleeve with a square neck. Trying not to get my makeup on this one. And then I also received Market and Spruce Soraya V-neck flutter sleeve smocked top in blue, size large. I did pick this item myself. It looks so cute, but it looks so springy. So I don't know, I might end up keeping this and saving it for the spring, but we'll see. And then I also received a Threads for Thoughts tee. I think it's a cropped tee. Yeah, like a boxy cropped tee in the shade Olive. This is the Maggie Comfort Jersey cropped tee. A little olive shade pocket cropped tee. So we'll try all these on and then we'll come back for final thoughts. Alrighty, so I thought it'd be easier just to film this on my phone instead of bringing my camera and tripod and all of that in here to my bathroom with me. But these are the Studio Blue orange high-rise wide leg cropped pants. I feel like they actually feel really comfortable. I don't love how the pockets are kind of flaring out a little bit. To me, that says they're too tight, but they do not feel too tight. And I don't necessarily think I would wear them, even though I do really like the shade of them more than I thought I would. The fit of them, I definitely look like Halloween right now wearing black and orange, but they're very, very comfortable. I just don't think I would reach for these pants ever in my collection. Let me tuck in my bodysuit backing, but there you can see the back. The length is actually a nice length on me, slightly above my ankle, not too cropped, not too long. I'm 5'5", I'm about 182 pounds, and these are Studio Blue, size 12. But again, I might reach for them every now and then in the fall, but I don't see getting a ton of wear out of them, especially because I do work at home and I don't typically wear anything outside of denim. So these are a maybe. I don't hate them. I actually think they're on sale for like $35. So maybe if they are on sale, I will end up keeping them. But yeah, I don't dislike them. I'm worried I wouldn't get enough use out of them. But if it's in the fall, maybe I will. And they're not super bright orange. They're almost like terracotta. You can see I have orange nails. So we'll go ahead and try on the next pair of pants. Okay, next item is these Just USA pants, and I cannot stop because I just have the worst camel toe ever in these. They're too khaki for me. I'm not gonna stand on the internet with this camel toe for all day. So they're a little too khaki, not enough olive for me. They don't fit right. They're just not something that I would ever reach for because I don't think they fit my body well. Okay, next item is the Thread for Thoughts cropped tee. This is totally fine. I would 100% wear this. I just don't really think I need it in my collection. Probably do a little bit of a French tuck. You have the cute pocket detail. I like the color. I have other shirts that are similar to this color. These jeans are actually also from Stitch Fix, not this Fix obviously, but these are from Weatherly. It's cropped, but it's not too cropped, which I enjoy. It's loose fitting, it's boxy. I could wear it with a pair of leggings, with a pair of jeans, style it differently with different shoes, tennis shoes, sandals, whatever. But again, I just don't think I need it, but we can definitely, it's a good contender. There's nothing wrong with this shirt at all. I prefer a crew neck, which is great over any other neckline. So yes, this is a cute shirt. It's a cute tee. I could see myself wearing it often. Maybe I'll keep it. We'll take a look at the price here in a little bit. Alrighty, next up is this, I think it was Market and Spruce little black or blue and white striped shirt. I do like this shirt. I just don't think it does much for like my figure. It's not really doing much for me up here, not really pulling me in. I mean, neither is a t-shirt, but for a blouse, I think I would like it to do a little bit more for me. It is cute. It is springy. The back has a cute little, let's see if I can get it here. The back has like a cute little button detail, which I like. But as we're moving into fall, I don't see myself, fall, winter, I don't see myself reaching for this until next year, next spring, summer. And if that's the case, I don't think it's worth purchasing something right this minute for something that will be for a future season, especially because styles change, I change, my body changes. So this is a cute top. And if this were sent to me earlier in the year, I probably would be saying yes, 100% to this. But because it wasn't actually sent to me until fall, winter, I will likely decline on this. I could put like a denim jacket over it with some black pants or something, but ultimately, I think based on the season, it's not a smart purchase for me. And I don't think I'm purchasing everything from the box. Therefore, it doesn't make a lot of sense to buy it just for like the buy all discount. Alrighty, last item, a little see-through, so I'm just gonna keep my hand covering all the goods right now, but this is a totally perfect white long sleeve t-shirt for the winter. However, I have about 3 ribbed long sleeve t-shirts already, so it's truly just not a need, but fit wise, I really love it. I love the length of it. I really love it. I mean, I like the length of it. I like the detail with the square neckline. I think it's flattering. I like the sleeve length. I just truly have no need for this in my closet at all. And that's probably my fault for like not mentioning like, hey, I don't need some of these basics, but it's a great shirt. And you know, you could request it in your next fix. I believe this was, I can't remember, we'll talk about it at the end. I don't remember what brand it was, but yeah, basic long sleeve ribbed shirt, very comfortable, form fitting, but not too tight where you feel like you're squeezed, just kind of hugging you in the right places. And we'll talk about all this at the end. Alrighty, so to kind of wrap up how I'm feeling about this Stitch Fix, I don't actually think I'm going to end up keeping any items, only because it's either not the right season for me, or it makes more sense for me to sometimes buy all 5 and not just a single item. And because I'm not buying more from my fix, the one item that I do think I would keep, I likely just will not keep this round and request it in a future fix. So the first item was the orange Jane high-rise wide leg pant. I did actually like those. Those are on sale for $36.97, but I just don't see myself reaching for them enough, even for $37 to justify keeping them or to justify spending that, when I know that I can get another fix and potentially like all items, and I'd rather just keep my budget for that. The next item was the Just USA Hardy high-rise wide leg utility jeans in olive, which I thought looked like a true khaki. Those were in a size 12. Those gave me camel toe. Those are an absolute no. I hated how those looked on me. Those retail for $64 from Stitch Fix. The next item was the 41 Hawthorne soft square fitted ribbed white t-shirt, long sleeve t-shirt. That was in a size large. That was $42. That shirt was phenomenal. I just already have 2 or 3 white ribbed long sleeve t-shirts. I live in Arizona. I don't need that many long sleeve t-shirts, especially in just a single color. And then the Threads for Thought was the item that I was thinking about keeping. I'm still not 100% sure, but that's the Maggie Comfort Jersey cropped boxy like shirt in the shade olive, size large. That's $34. I just thought it was a really, really comfortable shirt. I have another Threads for Thought tank top that I absolutely love. It's washed really, really well. So $34 for that shirt doesn't seem unreasonable. So I don't know yet on that one. I might end up keeping that one. And then the Market and Spruce Soraya V-neck flutter sleeve in the blue and white stripe. I did really like that shirt, but like I mentioned in the try-on, it's just not the right season for me to keep that item right now, and I don't know come spring, summer next year if I will still even want that shirt. So keeping it in my closet, just waiting for next summer, especially for $42, just doesn't seem to make that much sense financially. So maybe I'll keep the Thread for Thought shirt. You can let me know down below what your thoughts are on all the items that I've tried on. I already have another fix in the works, so that will be on its way, and then we'll do another try on. But if you like this type of content, please go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Go ahead and comment, like, subscribe, all of the things down below. Everything's linked down below for you as well. And wherever you are, have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.